Okay, children. So all of you open GK book, chapter number 36. We will learn something new about world's national sports. What we will learn today? We will learn about world's national sports. So all of you learn, all of you love sports. Okay, different kinds of sports are there. So Tafim, which sports do you like the most?
Ma'am, cricket.
Cricket. Yes. So you know cricket very well. Yes. So which cricketer is your favorite cricketer? Who is your favorite cricketer?
Virat Kohli.
Very good. So Arhad, which is your favorite sport?
My favorite sports is football and cricket.
Very good. Shahzad, yours? Unmute yourself first.
Ma'am, hockey, cricket and table tennis.
Very nice, very nice. Yes, Aharnish, which is your favorite sport?
Ma'am, I love to play indoor sport and my favorite is an indoor sport. The indoor sport is chess.
Okay, okay. Chess. Very nice. Yes,
Ma'am,
Saptapanna?
Ma'am,
Yes.
do you know how to play chess?
Ma'am, my just now
Okay.
fine.
No, not so much. Yes,
Ma'am,
Saptapanna.
my favorite
Okay.
sport is football.
Okay, okay. Your
Ma'am,
turn,
don't you know how to play chess?
in my school days, I used to play that time, not now. Yes, Tanveer, your favorite sport? Which one is your favorite sport?
Ma'am, hockey and football.
Okay, children, all of you mute yourself. So what we will learn today? We will learn about the word national sports. So all of you love different sports. Your choice is different. Someone love cricket, someone love football, someone love hockey. So there are so many sports and each and everyone is in different field. Okay. So we will learn today about world national sports. Okay. A nation is identified by a sporting activity. Okay. So a nation is identified by a sporting activity. The national sport of a nation is unique in nature and an integral part of the culture of a nation, like football in Brazil. Okay, so football is a national sport in Brazil. Now look at the pictures and complete the following statements. Okay, now see all of you lower your hand, children, lower your hand, everyone. So everyone lower your hand. Okay, so what is the national sport of India? Yes, Aratrika, tell me.
Okay.
What is the national sport of India?
Hockey.
Hockey. Very good. So national sport of India is hockey. All of you start writing, okay? Hockey is our national sport. Okay. Now see the second one. The national sport of USA is
Baseball.
baseball. Very good. The national sport of USA is baseball. Now see the third one. The national sport of Australia is
Cricket.
cricket. Very good. Now see the next one. Now see the picture is here. You can, it is very easy to recognize also. The national sport of China is
Table tennis.
table tennis. Yes,
Table tennis.
table tennis. Now see the next one. The national sport of Russia is
Ice hockey. Ice
No.
hockey.
no. Can anyone tell what is the national sport of Russia?
Bandy hockey.
The national sport, very good. The national sport of India is Russia is bandy hockey. So the national sport of Russia is bandy hockey. Okay. I think the spelling is not right. Hocky. Okay, I will correct once again. The national sport of Spain is
Bullfighting.
bullfighting. Yes.
Bullfighting.
The national sport of Spain is bullfighting. Very good. Now see the next one. The national sport of Canada is
Ice hockey.
Ice hockey.
Yes, ice hockey. Okay. Now see the next one. The national sport of Japan is
Sumo wrestling.
sumo
Sumo
wrestling.
wrestling.
Okay, sumo wrestling. Okay, so I will review the quiz once again. See, the national sport of India is hockey. Okay, the national sport of India is hockey. The next one, the national sport of Australia is cricket. Okay. See the next one, the national sport of China is table tennis. The national sport of Russia is bandy hockey. Okay, Hockey. The spelling in the book is wrong. Okay, so Hockey is the correct answer. Bandy hockey. All of you write down the correct spelling. Hockey. Bandy hockey. Now see the next one. The national sport of Spain is bullfighting. Okay, what is the national sport of Spain?
Bullfighting.
Bullfighting. See the next one. The national sport of Canada is, just wait, is ice hockey.
Ice hockey.
Okay, so the
Ice
national sport of
hockey.
Canada is ice hockey. See the next one. The national sport of Japan is sumo wrestling.
Sumo wrestling.
Okay, so all of you have completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So I will ask you one by one. Yes, Aratrika, tell me, what is the national sport of India?
Hockey.
Hockey. And what is the national sports of Canada?
Ice hockey.
Ice hockey. Very good. Yes, Dipayan, tell me, Dipayan,
Yes, ma'am.
what is the national sport of India?
Hockey.
And what is the national sport of USA?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the national sports of USA?
Baseball.
Baseball. Yes, very good, Dipayan. Okay. Yes, Aharnish, tell me, what is the national sport of China?
Ma'am. Table. Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you listen to me?
Yes, Aharnish, I can hear you. Tell me what happened.
Ma'am, this chapter 36, was already was given in our class 2.
Okay, okay. Okay, Aharnish.
And ma'am, the national sport of China is table tennis.
Yes. Now tell me, what is
Table
the national sport of Spain?
Spain, bullfighting.
Very good. Very good, Aharnish. Mute yourself. Yes, Shahzad, tell me, what is the national sport of India?
Hockey.
Hockey. And what is the national sport of Japan?
Sumo wrestling.
Yes. Very good. Okay, mute yourself. Yes, Tafhim.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me, what is the national sport of India?
Hockey.
What is the national sport of Australia?
Cricket.
Yes, very good, Tafhim. Okay, mute yourself. Rith, tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. All of you see, you can see here.
Yes.
So, so you can see here, first line. In Brazil, what is the national sport in Brazil? All of you mark this one also. Football in Brazil. All of you mark this one line. This line you mark. Just see. Football. Football in Brazil. All of you mark this. Underline this statement. Football in Brazil. So what is the national sport of Brazil? What is the national sport? Football. Yes. All of you mark this one. And what is the national sport of India?
G.
Very good, Rit. Okay, mute yourself. Yes, and Indian Abhinava. What you will do, children, you will write in your copy also. Okay, this one. Try to write in the copy.
Please ask more question.
And India, now tell me, what is the national sport of USA?
Baseball.
Yes. And what is the national sport of Brazil?
Football.
Yes, very good. Abhinava, tell me what is the national sport of Japan?
Japan.
Hmm.
Sumo wrestling.
Sumo wrestling. Very good. And tell me what is the national sport of China?
Table tennis.
Yes. Okay, very good. Mute yourself. Yes, Tanveer. Now tell me what is the national sport of India?
Hockey.
Yes, very good. Now tell me what is the national sports of Japan? Tell me.
Sumo wrestling.
Yes, sumo.
Sumo wrestling.
Okay, very good. Now Mehreen, tell me what is the national sports of India?
Hockey.
Okay, okay. And what is the national sport of Australia?
Cricket.
Very, very good. Mute yourself. Yes, Indra. Yes, what do you name yourself? Rename yourself.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, write your name. Write your name.
I'm right.
Yes, it is
I'm
written.
right.
Inadriken Khanra. What is written there?
No, ma'am. Right. Adrika Khara.
Okay, Adrika. Yes, yes. Okay, okay. Adrika, now tell me what is the national sport of India?
Hockey.
Okay, and what is the national sport of Australia?
Cricket.
Yes, cricket. Very good. Okay, now Sweeney, tell me Sweeney,
Yes, ma'am.
what is the national sport of Brazil?
What's the national sport? Football.
Yes, football. And what is the national sport of China?
Table tennis.
Very good, very good. Yes, Arhad, mute yourself. Very good, Sweeney. Arhad, now tell me what is the national sport of Brazil?
Football.
Okay. Now tell me what is the national sport of Australia?
Cricket.
Very good. Okay, mute yourself. Yes, Adil. Adil, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, Adil, tell me what is the national sport of Spain? Tell me. What is the national sport of Spain?
Ma'am.
What is the national sport of Spain?
I not.
Yes, Adil, your voice is breaking.
Hello, ma'am.
Adil, yes, your voice is breaking. There is some network problem.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, okay. Yes, now tell me, Adrija. Adrija, Adil, your voice is breaking. I can't hear you. Adrija, yes. Tell me
Yes,
what is the national sport of India?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the national sports of India?
Hockey.
Hockey, yes, very good. And what is the national sports of China?
China.
Yes.
Wait, ma'am. China. Table tennis.
Yes, very good. Okay, okay. Adrija, mute yourself. Okay. Yes, Aritrika, I asked you. Did I ask you?
No, ma'am. I want to say you something.
Yes, tell me.
Which country is the national sport volleyball?
Yes.
On which country we
Yes,
play
yes.
volleyball?
Yes, that only I want to tell you now. I will give you some questions about the volleyball. Okay, that only I will tell you.
And the spelling of volleyball?
VOLLEY, volley, BALL, ball, volleyball. Okay, children, now listen to me. I will give you some few more questions about this chapter. Okay.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
do you know my
Yes.
favorite sport is gymnastic?
Yes, what you are saying?
Ma'am, do you know my favorite game is gymnastic?
Okay, very good. Okay, very nice. Yes, children, I will give you some few more questions about some more sports, okay, which is played in the other countries too. Okay, so just wait. Just wait. Okay, just wait. Okay. Okay, children, all of you write down, just wait. So children, just write some few things. Okay, I will show you. Just wait, I will share white screen with you. Okay, whiteboard. Just wait. So what is the national sport of Nepal? Okay. All of you write down. What is the national sport of Nepal? Volleyball. Okay, the national sport of Nepal is volleyball. All of you write down this one. So the national sport of Nepal is volleyball. The second question I'm giving you, just wait. Okay, some question I will give you. Okay, just take out your copy, all of you. Okay. All of you write down. What is the ball called in badminton? Okay. Just write down, children. What is the ball called in badminton? What is the ball called in badminton? Shuttlecock. What we will call it? Shuttle. C-O-C-K. We can call it shuttlecock also. We can call it shuttle or birdie. Okay, anything we can call. Birdie also we can call. We can call shuttlecock. Okay. So we can write, all of you write down in your copy. Children, I'm going to unmute you all. So don't unmute yourself. Okay. Just keep yourself mute, everyone. No one will unmute. Okay. That creates a noise. Okay. Lots of noise. So write the second question, all of you. So what is the ball called in badminton? We call it shuttlecock. Okay, we can call it shuttle also. We can call it birdie also.
Ma'am, I cannot see your screen.
Can you see the screen?
Screen is black.
Now you can see? All of you
No,
can see?
ma'am. No, ma'am.
Now also you can't see. Everyone can see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. We can see the screen.
All of you mute yourself. Mute yourself, everyone. All of you mute yourself. Don't unmute, okay? Just write the question. Just write it, children. All of you are writing?
Yes, ma'am. I have completed and that's my mark.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have completed writing. My name is Sekarat Islam.
Very good. All of you have completed? Very good, children. Okay. Now wait.